right, so what do we have in Heath?
So we have the teriyaki chicken bun, so it's basically a little bao bun. Ta-da!
Yeah.
So
Didn't get utensils. We just go for it.
oh yeah, this is a hands-on meal here. We're gonna split it. I love dim sum.
Yes.
And my favorite is the steam pork bun.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Yeah.
You can compare.
All right, here we go.
Oh, you can really taste the teriyaki right away.
Yeah. I love teriyaki. This is like a perfect combination.
It's good.
Of like a bunch of stuff I love that I don't think I've actually had together before. Like the bao bun consistency is good.
It's good. The outside, you can tell it's been probably done for a little while.
Yeah.
But the inside of it's still really soft.
Yeah, totally soft. Very moist. And there's still good texture to the meat that's in there. So.
It is. Yeah, so you really taste a teriyaki ginger because it's very on the strong side.
Yeah.
But if you love those flavors, this would be very good. So
I give it a shot. This is Japan.
yep.